guys, so obviously I haven't finished. I haven't uploaded the vlog from yesterday. I'll probably upload it with this one just because I'm tired. I can't breathe. Today's been a very long day. I've been up since like 8 o'clock after going to bed at like 2, so that was my fault, but I had to do paperwork for a new job that I'm starting. After that, I had to go get my plates done for my car and all that stuff. You getting hot? Anyways, I had to get my plates finished and like stuff. Then after that, I had to went out to eat and then came back. I probably had like half an hour before I had to get ready to go to work. And then, not even that probably. And then went to work and then went to that car meet. Yeah. My nose is plugged up. I have a headache and I'm tired and cold. So I'm gonna go to bed. So good night. I hope you guys had a great day and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.